Guys, for BYD Sea Lion 6, nag-restock na kami. Ito yung black liner, full matting. So with back seat. Yan, with back seat. So pag tinumba yan, covered na covered. Kasama yan. So dumating na yung restock namin. Yung mga nagpa-reserve, pwede na mag-pick up. Ayan o, pati ilalim. Kita nyo. Covered na covered. Bagong bago. Brand new, bagong release. So yung mga nagpa-reserve, ready na for pick up. Covered na covered siya. Harap likod. Installation, DIY for 20 minutes. Done na siya. Yan o, napakalinis, diba? Covered na covered. So send us a message. We'll book your schedule. So yan. Para sa mga BYD owners. Ito, ina-adjust na lang natin.